We are going to study about part 2, chapter number 5, climate. Now, annual rainfall distribution. The distribution of rainfall can be summarized into 4 categories. Okay? Number 1, areas receiving rainfall above 200 centimeter a year. The highest rainfall occurs along the west coast, on the Western Ghats, sub-Himalayan areas in the northeast, and the hills of Meghalaya. In certain parts of the Khasi and Jaintia hills, the rainfall exceeds 1,000 centimeter. Okay. Ama kan ngai thak to ang khan India ram hi temperature mun chang chang hin ang lo em roal khan rainfall wat we kan don dan po hin ang lo em a distribution of rainfall hi category pali an chena pakhat na chuanin kum khata ruat wi 200 centimeter ai tamdong na mun khani a chung mun te chu west coast te Western Ghats te sub-Himalayan areas northeast India kan ti te le Meghalaya te ni a Khasi le Jaintia hills a phe hi chuanin kum khatar wa tui 1000 centimeters vel andong dai ani. Number 2, areas receiving rainfall from 100 centimeter to 200 centimeters. These areas include central parts of outer Himalayas, eastern parts of Bihar, West Bengal and parts of Assam, Orissa, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh and Bundelkhand and upper parts of Western Ghats receive medium rainfall. Okay. Panhina chuan ruatui 100 atanga 200 centimeter kum khatadong nahmun akhani le ta a chungte chu outer Himalayas te Bihar te West Bengal te Assam, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh a eastern side te Bundelkhand te Western Ghats te khanin ruatui kum khata 100 atanga 200 centimeter andong thrinani. Number 3, areas receiving rainfall from 40 centimeter to 100 centimeter. The areas include northwestern plains of Punjab, North Haryana, Western UP, East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Pathumna chuan ruatui 40 atanga 100 centimeter dong nahmun khani leta a chungmun te chu Punjab plains kan ti ate Haryana north of Haryana ate Western UP ate Eastern Rajasthan de West Madhya Pradesh ate khanin kum khatarwa tui 40 atanga 100 centimeter andong ani. Now number 4, areas receiving rainfall below 40 centimeter. Areas under this category are Jammu and Kashmir, West Rajasthan, Kutch region, Tamil Nadu's interior parts, eastern parts of Karnataka. Okay. Ruatui kum khata 40 centimeter ai tlem don na hun te Jammu and Kashmir te ta a West Rajasthan te Kutch region, Tamil Nadu interior parts te chuan Karnataka a eastern side te khanin kum khata ruatui 40 centimeter tling lawakha andong thinani. Now Koipin's classification of climate. Koipin's classification of climate is widely accepted in the world. Okay? He developed a quantitative scheme of classification of types of climates. His method is based on mean monthly values of temperature and precipitation. Koipins has identified 5 major climatic types. Capital letters have been used as symbol to show these, such as A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and capital E. Okay. The 5 types have been further subdivided into subtypes. Small alphabets are used to show these subtypes. Okay. Koipens hianin Indiaram climate ahi chishang shanga achena abe satan hian temperature le precipitation thatina temperature le precipitation ruwa tui tlak dana kha Indiaram climatic division climatic type achenna atang khan amangani chuanin capital letter capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D le capital E te hi symbols atan manga chuan khang hnuai a khanin subtypes an le a khang subtypes hotan khanin small alphabet a symbol atan mang bokani. Based on Kuipen's method, India can be divided into the following climatic types. Capital A equal to tropical climate, capital B dry climate, capital C warm climate, capital D cold climate, capital E snow or polar climate. Okay. Kan soi to ang khan Kuipen's a method a hian India ram Kuipen sa hian in India ram climatic region sa hi panga an chena. Capital A hi tropical climate ti na wa B dry climate, C warm climate, D cold climate, E snow or polar climate ti na wa ne. Now number 1, monsoon type with short dry season. AMW, A capital, M small and W small. Okay. This type of climate prevails over western coast of India. South of Goa, the summers are wet and there is a short dry winter season. Okay. Pakhatna hianin monsoon type with short dry season tin havwa minga a symbol tan hian capital A small MW AMW ani chu symbol tan khana manga monsoon type with short dry season ti India ram western coast a hianin alar hle a India rama an climatic type western coast an climatic type ani atin south of Goa hianin heng climate ang hian nei bokani. Summers a khanin nge nipuya khanin khuwa kha atong arawa tin winter kha thlasika kha arelo em thongani. Number 2, monsoon type with dry summer. Capital A small s AS. Okay. This type of climate prevails over Coromandel Coast, Tamil Nadu. It has dry summers and wet winters. Okay. Monsoon type with dry summers. Tin panina han wale a symbol tan hian capital A le A small s mga monsoon type with dry summer kan ti hi Coromandel Coast, Tamil Nadu an climate in le ang khuni a summer nipuya khanin khwa kha ro ema winter kha long ve thungani. Now number 3, tropical savanna type. Capital A small w. This type of climate is found in peninsular plateau. It has dry winter. Okay. Tropical savanna type pathum na tropical savanna type ti na wale a chu a symbol tan khanin capital A small w AW mo kha ni le ta a chuan hediang climate hi India rama chuan peninsular plateau a kan mu a winter kha ro mani. Number 4, semi-arid steppe climate. Capital B small s HW. This type of climate is found in desert areas of Rajasthan and Haryana. Okay. Palina semi-arid steppe climate ti in avwale a chu a symbol tan capital B small s small h small w BSHW ani chu kha wale ta a heng climate hi India rama chuanin desert area Rajasthan le Haryana te hmu tur omani. Now number 5, hot desert type. Capital B small w HW. This type of climate is found in the extreme western Rajasthan, that is Thar desert. Okay. Hot desert type pangana wale in a symbol tan hian capital B small w small h small w BWHW ani chu symbol tan khan wale ta a heng climate hi western Rajasthan Thar desert ta khan mu turan amboka. Now number 6, monsoon type with dry winters. Capital C small w small g. This type of climate is found in northern plains of India. Most of rain falls in summer. Okay. Parukna monsoon type with dry winters. Ti ina wale a symbol tan hian capital C, small w, small g, cwg. Ti ina wale ta a heng climate hi India rama hian Northern Plains inan neya samara hian in ro aso thinani. Nipui lai khan ro aso thinani. Now number 7. Cold, humid winter type with shorter summer. Symbol is capital D, small f, small c. This type of climate prevails over northeast part of India. It has cold and wet winters with shorter summers. Okay. Pasari na hianin cold, humid winter type with shorter summer. Di na waleta a symbol tan hian capital D, small f, small c, D, F, C. Avwa. Heng climate hi India rama northeast state ate. An experience ang hini a winter kha avot em a aro em boka chuan summer hi atoi thungani. Now number 8, polar climate. Symbol is capital E. This type of climate is found in Kashmir and adjoining mountain ranges. Parian na hianin polar climate tinabwa a symbol tan capital E amanga heng climate hi Kashmir le mountain tlang ramhun anga tikhanin polar climate kan ti hi an experience bok. Now Thornwick scheme of climatic regions. This classification is based on the concept of water balance. He devised the formula to calculate the monthly value of water surplus and water deficit. For this, he used the value of mean monthly temperature, the rainfall and evaporation. The areas having water surplus in all months throughout the year have a humid climate. Areas having deficiency of water surplus in all the months of the year have a arid climate. On the basis of this method, 6 climatic regions can be identified. Thornwick ave thung hianin India ram climate achen atan hianin ruat tui tlak claim de tama khanin e khami azer khanin India ram climatic conditions hi climatic zone hi achen le ta a e ruat tui tlak tamna kumtlo na ruat tui tlak tamna mo na hi humid climate ti na wa ruat tui tlak claim na mo na hi arid climate ti na wa ne climatic region sa hi Thornwick hianin India ram climatic region sa hi paruka anchena chungte chu. Number 1, pre-humid areas. Symbol is capital A. This type of climate prevails over the west coast of India, south of Goa and in some parts of northeast India. It has high rainfall and temperature throughout the year. Okay. Thornwick a climatic region chen paruk chinga pakhat na chuan pre-humid areas ti in a wa a symbol tan hian capital A amanga pre-humid areas ati te hi India rama chuanin west coast of India kan tiang te south of Goa te le northeast states ho hin ni ta a heng mona te hianin ruatui le ruatui atlatam em a temperature po kha kumtlan khanin asang em ani. Number 2, humid areas. Capital B. This type of climate is found over western coast, northwest Bengal and northeast India. Panhina humid areas. Ti ina wa a symbol tan hian capital B amanga humid areas climate ne namun te chu western coast te northwest Bengal le northeast India te ani. Number 3, moist subhumid areas, C2, capital C2. This type of climate is found along Western Ghats, Orissa, and West Bengal. Pathumna hianin moist subhumid areas ti inavwa a symbol tan hian capital C2 amanga heng climate hi India rama chuan Western Ghats ate Orissa le West Bengal in an experience. Number 4, dry subhumid areas. capital C1. This type of climate is found in Gangetic Valley and northeast parts of central India. It has dry winters. Okay. Palina hianin dry subhumid areas ti inavoa simbolotan capital C1. Mga heng climate hi India rama chuan Gangetic Valley le northeast parts of central India te hmuh tur a awma. Chuan winter kha aro emani thlasika kha aro emani. Now number 5, semi-arid areas, capital D. This dry climate is found in peninsular interior, Western Madhya Pradesh, Western UP, Haryana and Punjab. Okay. Pangana semi-arid areas. Ti inavoa asimbolatan capital D. Apanga climate he climate hi he nge harawe mema India rama chuan peninsular interior ate Western Madhya Pradesh ate Western UP ate Haryana le Punjab ate semi-arid areas, semi-arid climate kan tiang che hi an experience ani. Now number 6, arid areas, capital E. This type of climate is found in Saurashtra, Kutch and Rajasthan Thar Desert. Okay. Parukna thorn weda India ram climatic regions athen parukna chuan arid areas a oma asimbolatan hian in capital E amanga arid areas kanti te hi Saurashtra, Kutch le Rajasthan Thar Desert monate heng climate hi an experience thungani. That's all for today.